I don't know what year this is, but this thing is beautiful. I see it has a 359 dash in it. I know it's a 359, but it's not the needle nose. It's more of a bigger truck, like the 389. I mean, like I said, I'm not too sure what this is, but man, this thing is bad. This thing looks like they did it straight down to the bone. Wow. Look at this polish. Wow, man, this thing is bad. Well, it's a 359, a very old model, because I see that it doesn't have no shocks. So the ride on this truck, it's a lot stiffer than on my truck or any other newer truck, because it has airbags. See right here, there's no bags, there's no shocks, there's nothing. So the ride is a lot stiffer. This thing is bad. Wow. Look at this chassis, all covered up. Real nice. This paint, man, beautiful paint. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful paint. I'm not a big fan of this. I think that a nice T bumper would have looked a lot better. But I mean, I guess that it's a preference of choice of whoever built the truck. This paint, man, this chassis painted like that, man, that thing is beautiful. I don't know if it catches, but that thing is real nice. Real nice truck. Those look like what, 7-inch stacks? What this has? Old Caterpillar in it, painted white. That's what it looks like. See if we can take a quick look inside right here. Oof, thing is fresh. I wonder how much it was to build this. I'm a big fan of these filters right here on the side like that. Yeah, this is definitely a 359. I don't know, let me know. Yeah, look at the hood and everything, unless they did that custom, but let me know, guys. The guys that know more of these trucks than me, let me know what you guys think about this beautiful truck. Those headlights, beautiful. I love them. I think I actually like these headlights more than my headlights, believe it or not. Those things are expensive. If I was to put a different set of headlights in my truck, I think it'll be those. He has that bumper. It looks like a what? Like a 20-inch bumper. And then he added that extension of lights on there. That looks on fire. The red with the gold and the white stripes, killer. That looks killer. Look at that. In my opinion, beautiful combination, beautiful choice of paint. Oh yeah, the cab is sitting on just whatever they call those things. Not even shocks. Look at that. I don't know if these cabs have like an airbag in the middle, like some of the newer model trucks. This thing is killer. Look at this right here. Look, even the gas cap added this little Peterbilt thing on it. Real nice. Back window. I wonder whose truck it is. Whoever's it is, beautiful truck.